All right, guys, you're looking at something that could potentially change your life in the next 30 days to 90 days or even quicker. I'm showing you what we're going to be doing in 90 days. You're going to see my offers. If you get into the community, you can plug in your offers, but I want you to understand the idea. And we're going to use a 40 person example in this case. We already did the numbers, and I want you to understand how powerful this is. So I'm going to show you guys how to market on social media. You're going to get people to your website. We're going to show you how to set up this. This is all running on a system. It's running on auto. So we're going to get those people. So say you have 40 people, right? So say these people opt into your page. They're going to see my first offer, your first offer. Mine is a domain service that's going to start your brand, your www dot. It's going to be your name, or in the training, it's going to show you how to pick a proper name. And this is going to be the first service. It's going to be a 7-day trial. After 7 days, you're going to pay $11 a month. What's so amazing about this is they have bonuses. The residuals are small. You get about $1 a domain every single month. But every 5 members, you get $100. So if those 40 people come through this offer and say, you know what, I'm ready to take action, that's $800. You're going to be paid the following week. This is a one-time bonus. An hour later, since you're on a 7-day free trial and haven't, spent any money yet, I'm going to send you my second offer. This is a service, a software. This is a full body business in the health and wellness space. They're going to see this. There's going to be a video explaining everything. What you're going to learn is putting videos like Loom videos like this, for example, in your emails or anywhere you post. Explaining will up your conversions. I'm going to introduce you to a $59 package that comes with a few important products, plus shipping, taxes. That's rounded up to $70. This is going to pay you $12.50 per person, which out of 40 is going to make you an extra $500. And this company pays daily. If it's on the weekend, it might take a few days, but once it hits your account, you can use their debit card or you can transfer the money to your bank account. And I think this full amount is residual. The comp plan changes a little bit. So let's just say you're going to get paid this every month that those customers purchase that package. And same day or maybe a day later, I introduce my third offer, which is a winning system. It's how we run all this on autopilot. And I have a whole 7-day training explaining how to set this up and how to run it at max. And you're going to get 30 days free. The only usage in this that you might have to pay before the 30 days is to send your emails, which in the training it's going to show you only need around $15 a month. And you only need it every single month if you're bringing in a lot of leads, which that's even better, meaning you should have a lot of sales. Besides that, this software is $97 a month after your 30 days, rounded up to around $100 and something like $105 with taxes. And with 40 people purchasing this product after 30 days, that's $1,552 coming in a month. I said this is one time. I said this is monthly. However, this is for sure monthly. Long as these customers have this system, they're going to pay you 40%. If you add all of this up, that is $2,852. Overachievers, 40 people a day. You're getting a little good at marketing, maybe 40 people a week. You're a newbie, maybe 40 people a month. You're working a job, so extra $2,800 a month is going to really change your life. It's really what you need right now. And all of this together a month is going to cost you $200. And the whole goal in your first 30 days before you pay one of the most, let's just be honest, the most cost of all of this, the system. You're going to want to be way over this. But let's just say you fall short, $200 a month to run a full empire business, whether it takes you a month to get your 40 sales or your 5 sales, however many sales, this is still very inexpensive. And this software alone, you're going to use this for I don't care if you sell eyelashes, hair, anything, you're going to want to use this. Even if you have, you sell digital products, you can do all that in this software. You don't need these other link stores and stuff. You can do it all in this software. So even if you're someone who already has these things, you can do it all in this software. So you can even save some money. So this is the 90-day plan, but really for you, the 30-day plan. 40 people. And like I said, we want to do this a day if we can. If you want to do this full time, you want to do this a week. And I didn't even mention with this income stream, I personally made it simple and put people with this specific package. This is not including if someone says, hey, I want that package and I want other products too. I might not be the person that's paycheck to paycheck. I can afford these products. I want more. Then this doubles, or this 5 times. This is just a super simple explanation on a low level of how to earn an extra $2,800 a week at home, guys. So if you want more information on this, everything's going to be in the description, or if you're on YouTube or if you're on social media, comment how in the comment section, or send me a DM on how you can get access to this. You know the pricings, you know how everything works now.